What up, dude?
Thanks for coming, man.
Dude, you've been working out? Why are you trying to break my door?
What took you so long? We grew up 15 minutes from each other in Connecticut. You moved to California, and now you're late.
Hey.
All the time.
I'm just chill now. So you know where we're going, right?
Well, obviously In-N-Out.
I'll buy since I was late.
You better be buying. In-N-Out Burger really is the best deal going for a quality meal. I mean, you can feed a family of 4 for like $20, $25, and it's fantastic. The beautiful red and yellow of In-N-Out Burger. Hey guys, I'm Abbamonte. I've been to every single country in the world, plus the North and South Poles, and I've been to Los Angeles about 200 times, and I'm thrilled to be back here.
Hey, I'm Johnny Jet. I've been to maybe 100 countries. I love aviation, and I love sharing how people can travel better, smoother, and cheaper.
So we've been hired by Allianz Travel Insurance, our amazing sponsors, to give you some insider city guides. Our first one is right here in Los Angeles, and I'm gonna give you the touristic perspective.
And I'm gonna give you the local perspective because I live here. And we're gonna start off with In-N-Out Burger because it's a must.
That's a fact.
My favorite thing about coming here is the plane spotting. Obviously the double-doubles are amazing, but you're gonna be able to see all these wide-body planes come in, you're right there, and you feel it, and it just gets you pumped to travel.
And my favorite thing here is the double-double itself and the fries. Notice I got mine animal style. A lot of people don't know that, actually. There's a secret menu in and out. You can get vegan burgers, you can even get grilled cheese and a couple other different things. I've been coming here for 20 years. It's always either the first or last or both things that I do in Los Angeles.
I agree with everything you said, and here it is, wide body 777 ANA coming in from Japan. How awesome is that?
That is pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie.
That is awesome.
It's noisy too. Hey guys, I'm here on the rooftop of the W Hollywood Hotel in Hollywood, California, and I have a great day planned for you. Let's go on a tour of LA. Hey guys, welcome to Venice Beach, California, one of my favorite parts of Los Angeles. It's the place where you go and really just people watch and watch people fall off skateboards, and this is where Muscle Beach is from, and if you ever watch Californication, this is where it was filmed. Venice Beach is exciting, it's infamous, and it's a cool place to check out. Let's go. If I get one of those little tiny cars, I'm good to go. Gotta love Venice, man. It's just weird stuff. Shop after shop, it really hasn't changed much in 20 years, except it's got a lot more expensive. California dreaming, baby. This is the dream. So this is the iconic Hollywood sign here in Los Angeles. It's one of the most famous sites in all of LA, and there's a couple different ways to get here. We're kind of backdooring it here today from the Lake Hollywood viewpoint. You could also do a hike from Hollywood up past Sunset Ranch, and my personal favorite is take a helicopter ride over all of Los Angeles, and that gives you the absolute best vantage point of the Hollywood sign. You'll see. So Robin, tell us a little bit about your operation here.
Well, let's say you're in LA and you're at the airport, you got 3 hours to kill, 4 hours to kill. Well, we will pick you up. You don't even have to have a rent-a-car, you don't have to call Uber. We'll pick you up in either these Range Rovers, or if you have a really large group, we also have the buses that can carry 27 people. We bring you to the airport, we fly you around, and then we bring you back to wherever you're at.
Nice, man. So you make it easy for everyone to get here, do the tour, get home, and I'm telling you, this airport and his whole operation here is one of the coolest things in all of Los Angeles that nobody knows about. So I'm thrilled to be able to feature Robin and to show you guys around. Let's go inside.
We're flying straight out of Compton.
let's say you're in town for less than a day. You only got a 4-hour, 5-hour layover, something like that. We can fly in and land right here at Allianz. You can fly and see the whole city and be back in less than an hour.
That's amazing, man. That's the way to do it. I mean, why bother with traffic if you don't have to? If you got you guys to pick them up.
Look at this jet that just took off.
That's so sick, man.
Can you believe it?
I love this, man. This is so cool.
Okay, this will look real cool.
So awesome.
That's the new Venice skate park we just flew over.
Oh my God, look at that house.
Okay, now this house here, this is the most expensive house in America.
Where, that one?
Yeah, that's where they used to film the Beverly Hillbillies. $350 million. And over here, the Dolby Theater, where they have the Academy Awards.
Right. Oh my God, this is so cool. This is the only way to travel around Los Angeles, baby. Glad we're not them, man. That looks like it sucks. Hollywood! That is so cool. Damn! You like own the city when you're up here, you know? So sick.
LA is the second largest city, but it seems like a small city when you got a helicopter. Let's go photobomb these guys. Okay, let's buzz these guys on the roof.
That was awesome. That's so cool, man. We're filming at the Staples Center after this.
Oh, nice. I bet you can get one good picture on there.
I took like 10 million pictures. Like literally 10 million.
If you have a long layover at LAX, instead of hanging out there, go upstairs to departures level because that's where Uber and Lyft pick up. Order one of those because you're only 10-15 minutes away from one of the best spots in all America, and that's here in Manhattan Beach, California. Manhattan Beach has over dozens of bars and restaurants for every price point, so no matter what you're looking for, you can find it here. I lived in Manhattan Beach for over 20 years, and these are the places I go to eat. For breakfast, Uncle Bill's. Actually, my picture's on the wall, so when you walk in, look to the right. For lunch, I'll go to Lemonade. It's like a gourmet deli. For dinner, I'll go to Petros. They have one of the best peach salads around. If you're out late and you want to get some grub, go to the Kettle. It's a 24-hour diner and the food's always solid. If you want an adult beverage, you go to Shellback Tavern right here on the corner. That's where all the locals go, especially after the volleyball tournaments. Or you go to Erkley's Bar late at night. You'll find all locals. You'll even see some celebrities. So if for some reason you don't have internet, don't worry about Googling anything. You can just come down to Manhattan Beach Boulevard and Highland Avenue. And right here, there's a downtown directory. And as you can see, there's dozens of places to eat, from casual to fine, places to drink, coffee shops, grocery stores. You can find whatever you're looking for, the address, the phone number. So just come on down here, Manhattan Beach Boulevard and Highland Avenue.
A place like this is so California. Like these outdoor malls, you never have that in New York. Oh my God, it's a Triceratops fountain. That's everything I've ever wanted and more right there. And then, to accompany the Triceratops, there's a Stegosaurus right here. Yes, I studied dinosaurs as a child. I am really excited to take you to Sushi Roku here in Santa Monica. It's one of my favorite restaurants in all of Los Angeles. And I'm going to have lunch with my buddy Johnny Jet. Come join us. Hey guys, thanks for joining us on this tour of Los Angeles. And we wanted to thank our amazing sponsor, Allianz Travel Insurance, for making this all possible. Johnny and I cannot wait to do it again.
We had a great time. What was your favorite part of the whole trip?
My favorite part, without question, was the helicopter. It's literally the best way to see Los Angeles. How about you?
I didn't do that much, but I had a nice relaxing time in Manhattan Beach, had an ice cream sandwich, some good food.
Is there such thing as not a relaxing time in Manhattan Beach?
No, I don't think there is.
Well, thanks again, guys. We'll see you soon, hopefully from my hometown of New York City. And you're gonna give me a ride to the airport, right?
I don't think so. You're gonna take an Uber or a taxi.